got red paw. This cat burglar has been robbing his New Orleans neighbors of their clean laundry for months. Originally an indoor cat, Admiral GalactiCat was allowed outside once the pandemic started so he could get some space from his family. Unfortunately, he found it in the neighbor's laundry rooms. Owners Heather and Joe Barty tell us the whole tale. Let's see it.
A couple weeks after we started letting them out, I started noticing all this clothing start appearing on my front porch. So I got security cameras and I saw on the video that it was my cat. I didn't believe it until I saw it with my own eyes when I walked out front. I had no idea the cats could do something like this.
Heather didn't know who the clothes belonged to, so she put up multiple signs in her front yard, hoping one of her neighbors would claim their missing clothes. One of the signs said,
"My cat stole your kid's bathing suit."
While one neighbor came forward, the rest of the missing clothes owners remain a mystery.
I still haven't been able to find them.
Heather and Joe hope to use Admiral GalactiCat's newfound notoriety to collect donations for animal rescues and shelters.
Those places are always in need of stuff. So we're going to call it Admiral GalactiCat's laundry basket.